The age of technology is booming, and the manufacturing industry is becoming more technological up-to-date. OK CNC machine technology innovation and continues to write technology quality, unfolding a new chapter in spinning industry in unremitting exploration. We sail with the wind, we gather every step of brilliance, and we always stay the course. Witnessing the beginning with growth, responding to the ideal with breakthroughs. Shanghai OK Machine Company Limited was founded in 2009. It's a high-tech enterprise oriented to metal spinning technology. Over the last years, we have been committed to the research and development, design and manufacture of non-standard and specialized CNC spinning equipment. And our products and technology have always been at the forefront of the spinning industry. At present, we have OK Machine Suzhou Company Limited, Shanghai OK Intelligent Technology Development Company Limited, Suzhou Qingzheng Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Company Limited. We attach importance to technology development, focusing on the introduction of advanced technology in the spinning industry, and constantly expanding its own technology research and development team to strengthen the core competitiveness. We maintain good technical exchanges in cooperation with many research institutes and professional colleagues in China and abroad, so that our spinning technology is always in the leading position. With production as the cornerstone, we have constructed a 6,000 square meter spinning machine production and manufacturing workshop and a 3,000 square meter parts manufacturing workshop based on shear spinning, expanding spinning, ordinary spinning, strong thickness spinning, closing spinning, spinning flanging, and other crafts. We produce more than 30 types of CNC spinning equipment in 7 categories, including gas cylinder spinning machine, single wheel spinning machine, double wheel spinning machine, CNC spinning and flanging machine, and so on. We can meet the needs of different industries and customers for metal spinning without chips. In order to ensure the quality of product, we have built a professional laboratory, including tensile testing machine, comprehensive test bench, laser collimator, and other professional instruments to test. Along the way, facing opportunities and challenges, we always keep in mind the mission, never forget the original intention. We and our product have been highly recognized by the industry and society. We have successfully obtained the High-Tech Enterprises of Jiangsu Province, Shanghai Science and Technology Progress Award, Weapons and Equipment System Certification, European Union CE Certification, and ISO Certification. We have more than 40 patents in the field of spinning. The products are widely used in fire production, ventilation, and environmental protection, shipbuilding, electric power, automobile, chemical industry, etc. Our machines had exported to dozens of countries and regions abroad and provide relevant professional equipment and technical services for hundreds of enterprises and units in China. We are adhering to the integrity and win-win business philosophy and customers hand in hand with the development of common destiny. In the future, we will follow the development of science and technology innovation and constantly learn to optimize the metal spinning manufacturing process, innovate, and explore diligently. With extraordinary perseverance and determination, we will create a more brilliant tomorrow for the spinning industry.